Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have you guys here today. My name is Lovette, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to say goodbye to bad hair days with the Noughty 97% natural wave hello curl defining line. And trust me, if you have kinky, curly or wavy hair, these products are going to be your hair's new best friend for life, okay? Like the saying goes, seeing is believing, so let's just jump right into today's tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wash this unit, and to do that, I'm going to start with the Noughty 97% natural wave hello curl defining shampoo. Now, I really love this shampoo because it is sulfate and silicone free, and it also contains no parabens, no chemicals. This shampoo is the bomb. It contains vitamin-rich sea kelp extract and avocado oil, which is very good for curl definition. It also leaves your hair, silky soft and super conditioned. It smells so amazing, guys. I wish you guys can actually feel how good this shampoo smells. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finger detangle this unit and rinse it out. To rinse it out, you want to make sure that you keep rinsing until the water is really clear, okay? The next product we're going to be using is the Noughty 97% natural wave hello conditioner, and just like the shampoo, this conditioner smells so good, guys. It is sulfate free, silicone free, it is vegan friendly, cruelty free, it contains no parabens and no petrochemicals. Why the hell is this product not all over social media, all over YouTube, all over Instagram? This is one of the best products I have used in a really long time. I applied the conditioner all over the hair and left it on for 5 minutes, and the hair was so soft and bouncy. I rinsed it off and allowed it air dry overnight. So now that our hair is clean and fresh and refreshed, let's jump right into styling this unit. I did put on a wig cap, glue down my edges with a wig adhesive. As you guys can see, I only concentrated on the area where I had my parts while putting the glue. I didn't really pay attention to the other side because I knew I was going to be wearing my hair in the side part, and that area was going to be covered down. You're not going to see nothing, okay? I went ahead and also applied mousse to my edges, tied it down with a scarf, and proceeded to styling. So to style this hair, I'm going to be using the Noughty 97% natural wave hello curl defining Taming cream. And listen, this product right here deserves 1,000 stars rating. This is hands down one of the best curl defining creams I have used in a long while, guys. No matter how arrogant and stubborn and unruly your hair is, these hair products will lovingly tame it down. The fact that it is natural, free from sulfates, free from silicones, cruelty free, vegan friendly, these are the kind of products that should be promoted. Initially, when I applied the product on this unit, I was like, okay, maybe I'll have to spray with water and then use a hairbrush to kind of define the curls. Girl, I did none of that stuff. The only thing I did was to apply water, apply this cream, and the curls were popping. I was shook. I was shook, guys. The curls were popping right before my eyes. No brush, no nothing. No matter how unruly or how crazy or how arrogant and stubborn you think your natural hair is, this product will clip its wings and lovingly tame it down. Nowadays, we have so many products that claim to be healthy for natural hair, for wavy hair, for all hair types in general. But if you look at the ingredients of these products, you find out that these products are either tested on animals or contain, things that are kind of harmful to our hair. So to find a product that is this good, like really good, this is amazing. So Noughty is actually doing a huge discount on their website where you save 1/3 of everything you buy on their website, and this is going to run to the 31st of March, so make sure you check that out. Also make sure you check out all their social media handles. I'm going to list them here in the screen, because regardless of your hair type, there's a product line for everyone. Let me just stop here and let you guys see for yourself, because this product deserves 1,000 stars. I went ahead and applied the Taming cream all over my hair, ran my fingers through, and I was done. Like, look at how pretty this hair looks. Like, I'm blushing. Okay guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, every single product used for this tutorial will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Feel free to leave your comments, your questions, leave a like, share it, and please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys, love you.